Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making roasted garlic and Parmesan cream of broccoli soup. Alright, I'm starting out in a stock pot. And to that I'm going to add in 2 bags of frozen broccoli. These are 12 ounces each. These are broccoli florets. And it's going to be a real quick and easy recipe. You're not going to believe how easy it is. And it's going to have like really homemade, roasted all day or simmered all day taste on the stove. Alright, now to that I'm going to add 2 jars of this ragu. They're 16 ounces each. Ragu roasted garlic and Parmesan sauce. Now this is made for over pasta, but I found that it works really good in soup. And I made some cream of potato soup the other week and everyone went crazy about it. And Eric, my oldest son, he said, well, where's the broccoli? I said, well, I'll have to make a recipe with broccoli in it for broccoli soup. So I'm going to go ahead and get that cheese sauce down in there. And I'm going to fill my jar with milk. And I'm going to put my lid on and shake this up, rinse the jar out with the milk. We're going to add that in there. Get that cheese off there. And I'm going to take my second jar and only fill it halfway with milk. So we're adding in 2 jars of sauce and a jar and a half of milk. You just want to rinse all that good cheese out of there, out of the jar. Alright, I'm going to turn this on to medium heat to get it going. And I'm going to add in a little bit of this, you guys seen me use this before, the McCormick's Himalayan pink salt with black pepper and garlic. Just going to add just a little bit of that, and that's going to add a little extra flavor. Let me grab a spoon. Now I'm going to bring this up to a gentle simmer, and I'm going to allow it to simmer probably for about 15 minutes until the broccoli's thawed out and softened up some and everything's heated through. I left my soup simmer for about 15 minutes. I turned it up to probably medium-high to heat it through because that broccoli was frozen. It was really cold. Once it started to bubble a little bit, I turned it down to medium. When it started to come to a good simmer, I turned it down to medium-low and left it go for like 15 minutes. And I tasted it for seasoning. I had a little more seasoning because as that broccoli got cooking, it released some water in there and that diluted the works a little bit. So I had a little more seasoning. But it's delicious. It's ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a bowl and see what we got. Alright guys, let me get in here and give this a try. I'll start with a piece of broccoli. And this stuff is hot. It's hot. Broccoli's tender, has that delicious broccoli flavor. Try some of the broth. Creamy. You get the roasted garlic in there. You get the Parmesan. Guys, that's really delicious. It was really easy, and it's perfect for a chilly Pennsylvania night. Alright, there you have it. Roasted garlic and Parmesan cream of broccoli soup. Thanks for watching. Remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.